So today we're going to be fixing a drum that bows. So you can see how it kind of looks like a saddle, and the wood has been hydrated enough that it's curved it. So we're going to fix her. So as you can see, there's a lot of movement there. Not in a good way. Hello lovelies. Today we are fixing a drum. As you can see, this drum got warm and it started to bow. So it created a fold, which is really cool because you can get two tones, but some people don't want their drums bowed. So I'm gonna walk you through how to correct this, because the wood hoop has actually warped from too much tension being pulled and it not being pulled evenly. This usually is very common with the larger drums. You can see that's a sign of a saddle. So we're going to correct this. So our first step is going to be to completely submerge the drum. We need to get all this lacing rehydrated. So we're going to dip it into the water. And we're going to let that sit until the lacing becomes soft and pliable. This can be anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour or two. And especially with the colored drum, you want to make sure that you don't have it directly in the sun for too long, because it will fade the color. So we're just going to watch it. So now that she's been soaking for about an hour, you can see that it's nice and movable, which means we can take her out of the water. And you can see the wood is still a little bit curved, so we're going to weigh it down on the sides to flatten her back out. But we want it all nice and soft. So the best place to lay her down is going to be on a flat surface. And because she has extra color added to her, I don't want to lay her inside because she might stain. So I'm laying her down just flat on this concrete. You're going to want to pull any loose. See how loose this is inside? There's a lot of extra rawhide. So you're going to want to pull the rawhide so it's not loose. And get your form. And then here we still have some bowing from the wood warp. So I'm going to take some weight and put a little bit of weight on each of those sides. To help level her out. And then we're going to leave her to dry with that extra weight. Now, if you try this and you're feeling like the wood's not getting saturated enough, you can soak it again. You just want to be very careful, because the more you saturate the wood, the less integrity it has if it's continually bent and shifted. So we want to be very slow in this process, very easy. And we're going to let her sit for now another 24 to 48 hours while she dries back out.